consortium, which is not available in other consortiums. So in other words, if we ended up with a consumer plan, a high deductible plan, which was worth 15% savings, we would see that savings immediately right here.
It doesn't have to apply to the rest of the consortium.
It doesn't, and I think that's one of the value statements of this consortium is that each district is still free to determine their own destiny, and if they can change things for the better, even though other districts can't, they immediately benefited by it.
Well, I think I would like to, and you don't work for this.
I do not.
Okay. I would like to see if you would be willing to provide Karen with those options that would be possible if there was no contract disputes. All right, and then I guess I'll have to make a motion for you to accept that and do that work. Is that true, Karen, or not? I'm not sure. I don't want to order anybody to do any work because it's not what you're asking. Save money.
What are you asking?
I'm asking him to provide us, to give him information, but she'll have to read and take up time.
Yeah, I'm not sure why we would need to.
There was a reason for the motion.
Again, sure we could,
And it was a good motion, that's why.
if it makes sense. But again, right now, in our market, we're going to use Blue Cross, UPMC, or Aetna, probably in the short run. In the short run, I mean, next 3 or 4 years, because they have the best detail.
That's what I'm offering on other state for insurance competition.
Well, you can't, an insurance company, if we want to be insured, has to have, be able to write an insurance contract in Pennsylvania, and that may be where you're coming from.
Okay.
But we could deal with anybody we wanted to on a self-funded basis. And obviously, right now, there's only 5 or 6 real carriers. There's Blue Cross, there's Aetna, there's United, there's Cigna, and there's UPMC, so they're all here. So there'd be no reason to cross state lines.
Jim, there's just two comments I want to make, and actually one of them ties to the question related to previous plans on retirees. We do have quite a few retirees on there, but over the last 5, 6, 7 years, we have reduced that package that we give to the retirees. So that has made a dramatic impact on the plan as well, too. Going to the limited amount of time as it relates to years, as well as just the individual coverage, has changed the experience related to Ringgold and the packages that we offer. Now, the other thing is as well, too, as we look at some of that information, 2010 was when we went to the self-funded plan. So we've really only been in this process of being self-funded over the last 3 fiscal cycles. And it appears to be working well. Before that, we were under a different agreement directly with Highmark, and those were the years that we would see these refunds or we would see dramatic increases. So going to this self-funded mechanism, that was what we wanted to accomplish, was kind of like a steady stream of increases rather than these big spikes and having to come up with money, significant increases in the budget. Then the next year we might get a refund. So in that area, we've accomplished what we've went out to achieve.
Yeah, he says here, in July 2013, you were projecting 20% increase on rate of change if we go outside.
If we run our own.
Okay.
If we run our own.
Rather than a 3%. Wellness.
You're talking about, right,
There's someone spreading out the load.
incentives that you negotiate or talk with.
They can go all over the board. They can be incentives as simple as if you'll participate in certain wellness activities, making sure you see your doctor, participating in certain activities that the district might have, you might get a cash reward. They can go as far as if you do not participate in health and wellness activities, you have to pay a 20% penalty on your contribution. Some plans will actually not allow you to participate in certain plans unless you participate in health and wellness programs. Some plans will charge you extra money if you're a tobacco user. And so it's really all over the board. But the wellness activity, giving them resources to stay healthy or improve their health status.
One of the things I was mentioning is there's a lot of state plans, that the employee contributes a certain percentage of their salary toward their share of the premiums. And the state, and I believe Blue Cross does administer this too, has a health assessment, and they rate each employee by whether you're healthy, at risk, or extremely at risk. And if you participate
matter of fact, we're paying about $1.5 million for administrators to look at a possibility of saving money by finding out what happened there.
We will do
How
that,
did they
Barry.
save it? That's my
Second.
motion.
We
Look
will-
at it and say,
We will do
Tell
that.
us.
Second.
But I'm
Mary
telling you,
Ann, please.
There's a motion and a second.
Motion,
I
I
just
made.
said, we will vote on that.
Second?
We have
Second.
a second. What I am trying to tell you is.
There's no room for discussion, there's a motion on the table, please ask for discussion.
Discussion. There is.
He made a motion, I made a second.
Marty, we're having discussion.
He made a motion, there's a second on the table, would you please identify the motion and then ask for discussion?
Mr. Morrow made a motion, and we have a second.
I made the second.
Charles Smith made a second. And
Now,
we're
discussion,
having
continue,
discussion.